It's about 5 months ago?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 months ago I got a call. Someone that had trauma to her head. And she had a big laceration into her forehead, which you're gonna see in a picture. And then we did a complex repair. It was a deep laceration to the periosteum, which was repaired in layers. This is now 5 months of healing, and you can see it healed very nicely. A few things that she has done that have helped actually as well has been using a silicone scar cream with sunblock. Those are the main two things that we do for either traumatic scar or incisions after surgery to help them heal in a nice way. Also, when we treat lacerations in the forehead, and her in particular, we did not do it because she doesn't have much movement on the lateral forehead, but a lot of the time we use Botox or Dysport or a neuromodulator to help with the movement in the forehead, and that way you help the scars actually to heal better. This is great result. And she brought me champagne.